Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hot up here. I think so. How's the sound out there, all right? This is good? All right, thank you.
We can't hear ourselves. That's what keeps us going. In other words, if we heard ourselves, we'd stop.
This little song Nancy Sinatra made famous. Make it a little peppy this time, Angelo. You keep saying you've got something for me, something you call love, but confess you've been messing where you shouldn't have been messing. How someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. You ought to be truthing. You keep losing when you ought to not bet. You keep saying when you should be changing. What's right is right, but you ain't been right yet. These boots are made for walking, that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. And you think you would never get burned. Ha! I just brought me a brand new box of matches. Yeah, well, try those you ain't had time to learn. These boots are made for walking, that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Let's start a walk. These boots are made for walking, that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Boots. Thank you. Wipe out. do a little surf too. Here's a little Johnny Rivers cover of a Chuck Berry song.
Go to Memphis.
Long distance information, give me Memphis, Tennessee. Help me find a party that tried to get in touch with me. She would not leave a number, but I know who placed the call. 'Cause my uncle took the message and he wrote it on the wall. Long distance information, get in touch with my Marie. She's the only one who called me here from Memphis, Tennessee. Her home is on the south side, high up on the ridge, just a half a mile from the Mississippi Bridge. More than that I cannot add, only that I miss her and all the fun we had. But we were torn apart because her mom did not agree, and tore apart our happy home in Memphis, Tennessee. Long distance information, more than that I cannot add, only that I miss her and all the fun we had. Marie is only 3 years old. Information, please. Help me get a call to her in Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis, thank you.
Memphis.
So we're going to do a couple more and take a little short break, and we're going to turn it back over to Mr. DJ